One of the top things on the Onyx consoles that honestly drives me nuts coming from other consoles is I want a hard key for my parameter groups. What do I mean? Well, looking down here at the screen, I on most other consoles and the consoles I learned on, such as the Hogs, I grew up on the Hog, use keys instead of this touch screen to switch between these parameter groups. And in Onyx, they're really none of the consoles have a physical like intensity, pan, tilt, color, beam, etc. button. It honestly, I don't like it. It slows me down in my programming having to hit a touch screen. Like the parameter touch screen can be helpful, but I don't know. I liked the hard keys on the on the M1. That's okay. We can get them. It's no problem. So heading over here, we've got these F keys here. And the beautiful thing about these F keys is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are five of, and so those five F keys correspond with five on the screen right here. So it's easy enough to hit edit, hit the F key. As long as your workspaces are unlocked, you'll be good to go. And then let's customize them. So we can go to parameter groups, intensity, pan tilt, color. Let's just do gobo and then do beam. Now, you may have noticed, and this might be the reason why they don't have physical keys, is, one, there's more parameter groups than there are keys available. And two, depending on what fixture you have selected, you're going to see different parameter groups as well. So, for example, right now I have this Mac 1 right here selected. It doesn't have any gobos. So gobo is not going to show up. But you can pound these out, and then you've got them right here. You can label them with some label tape. And now, as you're programming away, you can go between your different parameter groups, change them right here. Bonus pro tip. If you're new to the NX4 or you're thinking about getting one, remember, get it through Above AVL, get it through us, Learn Stage Lighting Gear. We love to help. Just add it to your cart and request a quote. And number two is you have an extra wheel over here. This is the intensity wheel. If you've used other Onyx consoles, you haven't had this. Okay. And this is dedicated to intensity all the time, all day. The reason I bring that up here in this part of the conversation is that one, I can make myself glow. But two, is you might not need a hard key for intensity because you've got it on a wheel here. And I don't know about you, but once I set up my basic palettes, or presets in Onyx, I normally only touch the level for intensity. I don't touch strobe or anything like that. So you might not need a hard key for intensity because it's on this wheel right here and you can make yourself glow. Awesome. Thanks so much for watching. Again, if you need any AVL gear, especially Onyx stuff, but really anything, come check us out at aboveavl.com. We're the people you learned Onyx from, and we'd love to help you with anything you need, especially Onyx consoles and lighting, but also audio and video. We'd love to help give you honest opinions. Going to tell you what our best pick is from non-commissioned salespeople so that you're getting what is honestly the best thing across many brands. If that sounds good to you, head over to our website. We'd love to help you. It's Learn Stage Lighting Gear and Above AVL. Both are .coms. We'd love to help. Thanks.